everyone, I just want to share with you another journal that I've done, and this one is a Jane Austen themed journal, and I'm going to call it, because I'm going to list it for sale, I'm going to call it Jane Austen's Ladies Writing Journal, because it's part embellished. It's not there is not as much in this as I would normally put in a journal, but it is a big chunky journal anyway. It measures 8 by 5 1/4. It has a 2 1/4 inch spine. There is 3 signatures and there's 160 pages front and back. The spine is fabric, and this lovely paper here is from Artie and it's from one of her Jane Austen kits. So Artie will be linked below. I have used a cereal box and I've cut it up to make my spine and my front and back cover. I covered it in cardstock, and then I covered it with this lovely paper, and it's been Mod Podge, so it's nice and durable. We've got some crocheted trim on the back here, and then this lovely rosette trim down here. We've just got a simple book plate that says Timeless Treasures, and we've just got 2 pieces of bling there. Eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. So I think this is it's very feminine. The cover is very feminine, I think. So we go inside. So I've used the same paper inside on the inside cover as I did on the front cover, and as you can see it is still quite chunky. So let me make sure I'm in frame. So like I said, the journal kits are from Artie, and I've also used some digital kit from Tsunami Rose, so she will be linked below as well. Here we have a simple pocket. I was actually going to leave this completely blank, but I couldn't help myself and just had to put a few things in there. So the tag here has been sewn onto coffee or tea dyed paper. There's some organza ribbon on the top there. We have this envelope here, which is Jane Austen's house, and then we have a double journaling card. And that's all been coffee dyed, or coffee stained. It's a nice pretty envelope. We have a doily, and there's edge punching with a paper bag. This is from Tsunami Rose. And here we have a journal card, and there is an envelope on the other side of there. There's nothing in the envelope. This is from Artie. And that just pops in there. As I say, there's lots of writing space because that's what it started off as. Just a writing journal. You know, obviously you can, do lots more decoration to it if you wish. Paper bag, some music paper, some lined paper, centre of the signature. We've got a flip out here, the other side of the paper bag, some edge punching and a doily. Another doily, a double journaling card here. It's from Artie. It's the other side from Tsunami Rose. Here we have a flip up, and I used that lovely paper from the front, like the front of the journal. Journal card here, and a tag. It's second signature. Oh, this is a little flip out tuck, so you can do some journaling there and then close it up. And we have, is this a double journaling card? Yes. Another tag. And another journaling card, and this is another envelope. Squared paper, another doily, more from Tsunami Rose. Artie Mays. Another flip, other side of the paper bag, doily, more Artie Mays, more Tsunami Rose, another journaling card that's upside down, another pocket here with a tag, and then another envelope here with another double journaling card. Third signature, there's another flip up, tag, an envelope here with a journal card inside. Another journal card here, another envelope. Another Tsunami Rose and some ledger. Excuse me. More Artie Mays. Lots of writing space. Flip outs again. The other side of the paper bag. There's lots of nice quotes on this one. Double journaling card here. Paper bag. This is another flip out there so you can journal and then close it. We have a tag and a journal card. And that is the journal. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop. Artie Mays and Tsunami Rose will be listed below if you want to go over and check out their kits. And if you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.